my name is Sweet.
Hi, my name is Mark.
Hi, my name's Colin. Hi, my name is Chloe.
And together, we are the Team Camera!
Yay!
Yeah.
Hi, today we're going to be unboxing a air fryer.
Yeah, and it's very large.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is so save time, energy, money, oil, and you don't have to. Oh, okay, so it's a box in a
Box.
So we have to get the box out.
In a box. In a
Hang on,
box.
hang on.
In a box.
Hang on.
Dad, please can we open it? Because I got muscles. You're forgetting something.
Right.
Forgetting something, Dad.
Right, who's going to push the box down? Quick, push box. Push box. Oh, here, Daddy's let go. Hang on, try again. Ready? Ah. Oh, and again. Ready? Come on. Ah. Oh.
Yay!
Right,
On the plane.
hang on. Hang on. So inside this box is probably another box.
But please, we can open it.
Yeah, hold on. Let's have a look, see what's inside this box. Oh. There's another box. Okay. Right. So here we have.
I thought I was
Harry?
going to open it.
Hang on.
What is
lift
this?
them up. And a rotisserie.
Probably.
Wow. So in here.
Wow, that is large. Inside a box. Inside another box. Wow.
Oh, that's massive.
That is massive, monkey. That is a massive monkey.
Right, can you put that back inside this box for me, please?
Can I?
No. We'll put it on this one first.
Can I throw that one outside and but not the other one?
You're not playing that in. What we're going to do here is we just. Right, so what we got here, okay, this is a digital air fryer. Oh, I see, it comes with an adapter just in case, but it's British. And then what you do is you could stick your chicken on here and it rotisserie chicken. So you can have fresh chicken, spit roasted chicken, and then you get the there we go. Here we go, so we get the main unit out. Okay, there's more stuff inside. Okay, that lifts up. Okay, and then what we got here. Okay, is the bit where you cook it, where it cooks. That's the actual fry bit there. Okay, and then we undo this one here. So there's no end of what you can do on the cooking side. And then this one here, that's where you put your chips. And then obviously this is a two-sided grill, so it can go up that way for doing certain things, and then you turn it upside down and it goes that way to do certain things, to cook certain foods. And then this one here, okay.
Are you open it up?
Okay, what you do, you undo this here, lift that up there, look, and then you put your chips or whatever in there. You shut him down like that. Okay, these bits here come off.
Oh wow.
Oops, the other way. That's it, like that. These come off. This spindle goes through there. And then what happens is, then he just sits in there. Oops. You slide him in, in through the hole, it sits in there, and that's it. And then your chips or whatever you want to rotisserie can go in there. Okay, and then the same principle is you get your chicken, you stick your skewers on. Okay, then what you do, you put that on there, you get your chicken, skewer your chicken on there, and then what you do, you have a spit roast chicken, stick it in there, and you spit roast chicken. But not only that, you can put your vegetables around there and everything, and do your vegetables as well. And then you can do all sorts.
What is that?
And then these are just tongs. These are so you can get things out. Yeah, you just pick your chicken up there, or you pick your cradle up low, so you don't burn your fingers.
Oh, that's nice.
Now the advantage of this air fryer, okay, it's obviously fully programmable, but instead of actually waiting 2 hours to cook a chicken, this will do it between 25 and 35 minutes.
Oh.
So it saves you a lot of time.
And energy.
And energy. So you can... anything that goes in there that needs rotating, like your chips, fries, or anything like that goes in there. You don't need any oil whatsoever. Here is obviously suitable for any foods. It's a dual rack. So such as chicken wings, pizza. You can cook pizza in here as well. Oh, that's good. I think our pizza is a little bit big for that. And that's all you feed vegetables and other bits and poultry and things like that.
So how you don't need to put some
no oil? No.
Oil?
No.
Wow, and look at the dimension of that. It's quite big.
Yeah. That's the main part there, is your air fryer. That creates the air with the halogen out. And then you stick everything in there. And then 10 minutes later or whatever, it's done.
Is it done by timer?
Yeah, you can do it by timer.
How you prove?
Okay, it comes up on top here, look. You got your roll, you got your time, it tells you there, look what you're cooking, fish, chips, meat.
Oh.
And then it comes up as preset, and then as you see, the time's in here, look, okay. Meat, chicken wing, 25 minutes, a whole chicken, look, 25 minutes, a fish, 15, a cake, 10 minutes,
Wow.
French fries, 25 minutes, pizza, 14 minutes. So you're cutting on time. You can see a roast chicken, look. Or you can put it on the rack, on this rack. If you just want a cooked chicken with your vegetables, and there you go, 25 minutes. So Sunday lunches, instead of a 2 hour wait, you can do it in half an hour. Half an hour Sunday dinner, look. Done. And there's no oil. And it's fresher, crispier.
That's good.
And there you go.
And they are very fast delivery.
Yep. Bake a cake. Oh, you turn it up that way to bake a cake. So you put your cake on there and bake it. Or you put your chicken on there. But when you put your chicken on there, if you want to do your vegetables and that, you can do it on there. So there we go. And the other advantage of this as well is not only saving time, energy, food's fresher, it's more crispier. You're going to love it. It's basically a one unit where you can just put anything in it, switch it on, come back 20 minutes, 25 minutes later, done, cooked. Your fish, your chicken, your pizza. No need to preheat an oven up for 10 minutes or get everything ready, preheat your oven. You just put it all in here, press a button, walk away, done. Easy peasy. And then your chips as well in there, that when the rotisserie it's round, there's a little bar in here you can see. That'll move your chips around so they don't all stick together, and there's no oil whatsoever goes in there. No oil whatsoever. Just pure freshness from your chips. So your French fries, anything, roast potatoes, anything in there, done. Or if you want your roast potatoes with the chicken, put your chicken on there and off you go. All done. So if you'd like to know more about this product and that, we will be showing later on some cooking on it. Just please subscribe to our channel and comment below and enjoy. Thank you.